What is up? It's your boy Karma Ganja, and today we have a super fast, under 5-minute DIY how-to video. And what are we gonna do today? We're gonna make a God damn it. What is up? It's your boy Karma Ganja, and today we have a quick under 5-minute and under $5 DIY how-to video. What are we gonna make today? We are gonna make some red LED lights for your bedroom, for your studio, photography, whatever kind of mood or vibe you're going for. Under $5. It's specifically $3, so I'm running out of time with this 5-minute video. Let's check it out. These are pretty much the two things you need. This is a piece of red plastic. I'll go for the Dollar Tree page dividers. This actually was a little piece of red plastic that I got from Walmart. It was to fix your tail light. This was a little over $3 or $4 for the whole pack. What I would do if I didn't have this would be go to the Dollar Tree, grab the page dividers. They look like this, just bigger, with the holes, and you put them in between your pages. It's not that complicated. You know what I'm talking about. This is also from Dollar Tree. I don't know how long they will keep these in Dollar Tree because this is an amazing steal. But if your Dollar Tree has any sort of LED gooseneck lights right now, go buy them all. It has 3 modes, high, medium, low for the lighting. It's just perfect. Just a little word of advice. I'm using hot glue, a hot glue gun for this project, just because it was $2 at Walmart. So technically $1, $2, one more dollar for hot glue sticks. We're still under $5 for this video, and we're getting real close to fucking 5 minutes. So let's get this shit together. But I'm using a hot glue gun. Feel free to use super glue, household glue, craft glue, whatever you want. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Let's get this done. I got problems, I got people that been hating in the street. I got bitches, I got riches, it ain't easy being me. I got problems. Alright, and that's all she wrote. So right now I'm currently using the light as a sort of side light, mood light. But yeah, you can see the results. Under, $5. You can't go wrong with this light. Great quality light. Like I said, you can use super glue, any type of glue you want. If you can't find these LED lights, you can also use the small lights from Dollar Tree that are like LED powered. They have lanterns, but I'll just do them all so I can show you guys what I actually mean. Great lights if you're trying to do any type of photography, videography, stuff like that. It really works. And it's cheap and it's effective. So try it. You'll be surprised at what you can do by yourself. Alright, stay up, have a great day, have a great night. Love you guys. Keep watching these videos, keep sharing, subscribing, liking. Oh, and stream the new album, No Cap by Karma Ganja, produced by J.Beats. It's fire. You know it's fire. You know you want to listen to it right now. So click off of me and click on to the album. Let's go, gang. Let's go, Karma Gang. Peace out.